Hands up.
Hands up.
Wave your hands.
Your hands.
Shake your hands.
Shake your hand.
Hands down.
Hand down.
Make gestures.
Exercise.
Hold your head.
Hold your hand.
Touch your head.
Touch your hand.
Touch your forehead.
Touch your forehead.
Hands down.
Hand down.
Blink your eyes.
Your eyes.
Take your tongue out. Take it back.
Take it back.
Show me your teeth.
Show it.
Hmm. Now hold your ears.
Hold ears.
You place your hands on your eyes.
Your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Look up.
Look up.
Look down.
Down.
Look at me. Look at the window.
Look at the window.
Look at me here.
Look at the
Now hold your waist.
waist.
Hold your shoulders.
Hold your shoulders.
Tap your shoulders.
Clap your shoulders.
Pat your back.
Pat your back.
Touch your neck.
Touch your neck.
Hold your neck.
Hold your neck.
Touch your elbow.
Touch your elbow.
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 Where is your elbow? Okay. Now hold your arms.
Hold your arm.
Then hold your wrist.
Hold your wrist.
Show me.
Hold it.
Okay. Now extend your hand.
Extend your hand.
Flip your hand.
Flip your hand.
Hand down.
Hand down.
Hold your hairs.
Hold your hand.
Touch your temple.
Touch temple.
Okay. Hand down.
Hand down.
Touch your chin.
Touch your chin.
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 Then hold your cheeks.
Hold your cheeks.
Hand down.
Hand down.
Now snap your fingers. Okay. Now fly,
Fly.
swim,
Swim.
climb.
Climb.
Okay. Now crush the garlic.
Like that.
Okay. Now brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Sleep. Sleep.
Sleep.
Hmm? You sleep now. Sleep. Wake up. Now smile.
Smile.
Laugh. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Yeah.
Now think. Now where is your mummy?
My mummy kitchen.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is the school Console.
Where do you live?
I live Console.
What is your father's name?